Okay, since October 21 ay naka 100 subs tayo, i-claim na natin yung award sa YouTube, okay? Ngayon, let me just drag this one here. YouTube creators. Punta tayo sa YouTube creators. Okay, let me see. Creators by YouTube. Okay, let's see. Pag nandito ka na sa youtube.com/creators, punta ka doon sa taas, benefits, then punta ka sa awards. Okay? Then, get my award. Yoy! Grabe talaga. Wait lang. First time ko to eh. Next. Next. Hindi ko alam kung anong mangyari dito. Okay, allow. Okay. Enter your redemption code. Wait lang. Actually, sabi dito, pinadala daw yung code. Code dun sa Creator Studio notification. So, hanapin ko muna to. Alright? Para malagay natin yung redemption code dito. Wait up. So actually, wala akong nakitang code. Pagpunta ko doon sa Creator Studio, di ko na napakita kasi medyo sensitive yung mga information doon. And plano ko na lang mag-email sa kanila directly dito sa Creator support at youtubechat.com. Okay. Sige. Mag-email ako and sabihin ko sa nila na na-reach ko na yung 100,000 subs. Then, let's see next time kung anong ma-receive nating message. At possibly, papadala nila sa akin yung code para ma-access natin tong redemption site na to. Okay? Wait lang muna. Okay, nagpadala na ako ng email sa kanila. Short email lang naman, telling them na na-reach ko na yung 100,000 subs nung nakarang October 21. Then, nag-request ako ng redemption code. So, yun lang. And wait na lang yung response nila. Then, babalik tayo dito kapag nakuha na natin yung code. Okay? So, ngayon, pause na muna to. Then, I'll see you next time. Sa next tuloy. Sa next video natin. Ayan. Pasensya nyo na. Laing ko lang sa tulog. 12:50 na dito ng umaga. See you next time. Thanks. Okay. Since na-receive ko na yung naka-blue ulit ako. After 6 days, imagine that. Medyo matagal. Kasi sabi nila dito, nung in-email ko sila nung November 7. Thank you for reaching out. I would like to commend you for reaching more than 100K subscribers. Yay! It's such an incredible milestone. Regarding your redemption code, kasi nag-request ako ng redemption code, kailangan natin yan. I will need to check a few details with one of our Creator Award specialists. Okay. This can typically take up to a week. Kaya pala eh. Depending on their availability. I'll get back to you as I hear from them. Okay. So kanina lang, nag-email sila. Okay? 12 minutes ago. Hi, Ronaldo. I hope you're doing fine. Yes, I'm good. Thank you so much. I have good news for you. Aba. Congratulations. You can now redeem your silver play button. For hitting 100K subscribers. Thank you, Hugs. Okay, to redeem your ito na yan. Copy ko na siya. Then once you log in, you'll be asked to enter your channel name as you like to see it on your award. So, ihingi nila. Pwede ba lang ilagay ko Ronaldo? Pangalan ko? Wala no. Hugot Radio by Ronaldo. Init. May umaandar yung electric fan ko. Teka lang. Okay, as well as your shipping information. When you complete your order, you'll receive an order confirmation email. You can expect your award to be delivered in about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your location. Oh, wow, 2 to 3 weeks. Paano kung nandito ako ngayon sa isla? La Isla Bonita. I hope I was able to help you out. Yes, of course. Thank you, Ivy. Hi, Ivy. Okay, of Google YouTube support team. Okay, let me just copy this one and let me go to Creators Awards YouTube, youtube.com creators. Okay. /awards. Then sa taas, meron doon Get My Award. Dapat nakalagin yung email address mo ng iyong channel. Okay, medyo mabagal. Alam mo naman, ang ating internet. Uy, wait lang. Okay, you are signed in as Hugot Radio. That's good. Okay, then enter your redemption code. Paste. I am not a robot. Agree to terms. Then... Okay. Continue. Sana gold na lang, ano? But it's okay. Maging kontento tayo. Uy, wow! Ito na yun talaga. Grabe, grabe. Nakakatawa naman, ano? Okay. YouTube channel name. Hugot Radio. Sige na, yan na lang. Then, continue. Please verify your YouTube channel name below so we can accurately display it on your Creator Award and immortalize your accomplishment. HUGOT space radio. Okay, continue. Okay. Come on. Bagal talaga, oh. Okay. Country. US. Sana nga lang, ano. Okay. Philippines. Letter P. Philippines. First name. Oh. Sorry. I have to pause this. Kasi personal information ito. Okay lang? Naklik ko na yung continue kanina at dinala ko dito to confirm my order. Ito na yon, tapos YouTube channel name, shipping address, and award level silver. So, kung wala naman problema dito, pangalan ko, company name, address, okay, and my number. Pasensya na hindi ko papakita kasi lahat naman tayo kailangan nating protektahan ng ating personal information kasi alam mo naman sa internet ngayon. Pag nalaman lahat ng mga information na yan, wala na. Okay? So, confirm. Wait lang, double check ko lang. Click confirm. Okay, come on. Ay! Mali yung spelling. Joke lang. Okay, order date November 12. Alas 5 ng hapon daw. Okay, anyway. Alauna ng umaga dito ng November 13 eh. So, award level silver kung pwede lang palitan niya ng gold. Ay, nako. Your Creator Award will be handled in 3 to 4 days. Ooh, cool. And shipped to your address within 1 to 2 weeks. Alam mo ba, may mga video sa YouTube kung paano nila ginagawa yan. Hanapin nyo na lang. Okay? So, redeem additional codes. Bakit? For what? Para saan to? Okay. Kung dalawa yung channel. Anyways, taas, check order status. Tignan natin kung ano na yung status ng aking order. Okay. Status ordered. Okay. So yun, hugs. And sa mga nanonood nito, maraming salamat. Hindi nyo pa ako kilala po, no? Ako po si Ronaldo ng Hugot Radio. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung may kilala kang mga makaka-relate ng channel na to, about love tips and relationships and all, ay nako, At pupuntahin nyo po dito. Okay, so yun lang po. Yan kung paano mag-redeem at mag-order ng iyong silver play button kung naabot mo na ang 100,000 subs sa YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank God. And God bless you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye.